All the money that e'er I had, I spent it in good company, and all the harm that e'er I did, alas, it was to none but me. And all I've done for want of wit to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good luck and joy be with you all. Good luck and joy be with you all. If I had money enough to spend, and leisure for to sit a while, there is a fair maid in this town who surely has my heart beguiled. Her silken skin and ruby lips, I own she has my heart enthralled. So fill to me the parting glass. Good luck and joy be with you all. Good luck and joy be with you all. All the friends that e'er I had are sorry for my going away, and all the sweethearts e'er I kissed would wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls into my lot that I should rise and you should not, I'll gently rise and softly call. Good luck and joy be with you all. Good luck and joy be with